Repertory which came after 1843. 1846 Bonnie-Hassan Therapeutic Pocketbook. 1847 Hempel Bonnie-Hassan Repertory. 1848 Clover Muller Systematic Alphabetical Repertory. 1854 Lippi a Repertory of Comparative Mathematics. Other important repertories. 1873 Bridge Repertory of the Eyes published in England. 1879 C. Lippi Repertory of the more characteristic symptoms of the Mathematics. 1880 T.F. Allen Symptom Register. 1881 Hearing Analytical Repertory. 1890 Gentry The Repertory of Concordance in 6 volumes. 1896 Ner The Repertory to Hearing Gauging Symptom. 1897 J.T. Kent Repertory of the Homeopathic Mathematics. Kent Repertory in 1897 started a new era of middle time repertories. Post-Kent repertories, that is middle time repertories. 1904 Clark a Clinical Repertory. 1905 Bogart Bonnie-Hassan Characteristic and Repertory. 1915 Bogart Repertory with Synoptic Key. 1924 Bogart Card Repertory. 1927 Boric Clinical Repertory. 1931 Bogart Times of Remedies and Moon Phases. 1937 Roberts Sensation as if. 1939 Roberts Rheumatic Medicine. 1959 Jugal Kishore Card Repertory. 1963 Fatak Repertory. Study Made Easy. 1905 BBCR. 1915 Bogart Repertory with the Synoptic Key. 1924 Bogart Card Repertory. 1931 Bogart Times of Remedies and Moon Phases.